Pulit Ribhoi district hinin kemien kila pelong biang ya ka jing Talasi ki kali ha Quinine kila yoru bandan kuna haduh arlak rupusan hajar tingka na ki kali ki ba pynkheiñ akate ka jing Talasi kali kabala lam khamat hi do SP ka Ribhoi district VS Rathor ha ringkat additional SP ki officer bade shimbenta lang ru de ki VDP jongkachnong Quinine Abakren kilat patai kubor USP ka Ribhoi uloong baka jing sen rap lang yaki VDP jong ka sinang Quinine akatay ka jing Talasi kali kalong kum shibenta ban penslur bat aiman sim yaki VDP jong baro ki sinang hapo Ribhoi district banyetre lang ringkat bat ki pulen bat ban long ki ba shimkhia yaka kam kumba ki long ki nong yata meningkong hapo jong ki sinang ban la ban rat ding khong yaki kam sniu hapo ka imlang salang bat ka district hi baro ka wei ka bala ru ban wanra yaka jing job yaka jing temu jong ka police department ban pelong yaka Ribhoi ka crime free district ni ka district ka balat luot na ki kam sniu
अच्छा से
Aduh raja kata. Put raja.
Ya ini
Put.
atas ni zero thank you so
Put. Lagi. Cepat.
Lendik dah. Ya.
ऐसे नहीं सामने से
Jengkel. Oh, lakut. Berapa berkat dengan pulit tu penting ibu itu. Bull bumper.
No, this is
This is a big bull bumper.
I know.
This is the guy. This is the guy. What a guy.
Dan em này sân tông hay gì? Dan em. Bản đơn cho mình nhá. Untuk apa? Kemai apa dia? Dong. Kemai om. Iya. Kemai ni. Untuk man kasih kemai 4 ton. Lesen. Nah saya rukiro armut lagi deh ini deh. Wah? Tuh kosong. Ada padi yang baru yang ada ngerem jepre. Ngerem baru. Tuh armut pat. Itu dari bagian lagi yang diperlukan pada. Oh, mati pastinya basong. Variara itu armut. Keren, medium tak? No pinut ban kamay ito, tempat lain. Oh. Sakit ini yung apa di atas ni. Ini. Oh. Ini baik ni. Dia tu tengah baru ini baru. Harap kata gilap ni.
VDP juga senang Quinine hi berawai. Tengi ngidap dari jingsu kemen haduh tata namar bagi yadon bentalang baca police department namar nakapor ngingin ju syong thai ban ya duty hapo ka senang ka jongi namar bagi pe jenang ta ka bha kamyat ka syong ngan senang hi berawai bat kunjo di para ki senang pramajan ten roi habangi don bade ringkat hasda ki lang bade baka police department bade tengi ngi su ngai henai menta kambi bade ngi lagi jong ki khamat isaki ba ngidon bentalang akan dia bagi checking iki kali ke ni sibon bah jing tuna iki kali mo tiba kiu ki bahian kumbala ban biang mena ngelai i lagi jong ki keman ba kibun ki brio ki besyong kali buan rei ki bade ban pendon kam use seat belt andai tak use seat belt rukim tip ban pendon kam mo dia buôn nghìn hab hi ban kam tam hi don ki kan thai nghìn hab ban lej mangi ban pedang yo kit ben te ka tu kaya da mo na ta na jim sa lan ne da mla biang kam kali mo andai lan
VDP na ni ko snong Quinine nang lado i so ban ai kublei ai police officer Chakari Bhoi na do SP additional SP i charge of traffic ko ju osi jo nong po branch ngai kublei ki officer Bhoi Chakari Bhoi ki bala ya simbanta nam ta ban ya checking ni kali hari dan dia ko ju ngai kublei ki members lagi ki VDP kalau kidan kilong kimi ki samla kirang ba mo bagi dan bentalang ki members ki VDP ngai kublei lang ki de na kalian jongi ni sngo kia habang i shibun ki kubor ba ki jinja ki accident lengba ki ka sorok ba mo mar ka stong jungi kadan kawai na idai kawai na kisnong ki ba dan hang ni apo pedeng badan ki ki sorok ba namar ba janman kapor isu i ki accident mana kini tayo ada permang i ba ketika bolero ba ki sorok ba senani hajan di sisang i sukia habang i ba bun ki musim brio kiduno bat haba iwat jinte pat kadai kada ba bun kiba accident kiba yap kiba musau kadai ba harian ba kiladi kiat te harian bang ilai ba jingwan jong i mo isa ASP ba ka team hi jong ki police officer jong kari bhoi kilas dang ban checking ban bat ki kali ban i menta hapeng alai tio la dona ba ka accident te ngiru kum ka snong hi kum ki VDP na po snong i sukia tingi dan benta lang ha kani kasngi na kamenta jing bha
Everyone is aware we have been doing this traffic safety drive for last almost 2 to 3 weeks now, and today the checking is being done with our VDP friends here from Quinine Nonglado. So we all want the VDPs to be part of our enforcement drives also, because see, we have around 650 villages in this district, 650 to 700 roughly, and every VDP has around 15 to 20 members. So that brings the count to around 10 to 12,000 persons. So we are trying very hard to constitute VDPs in each and every village of our district, so that we have around 10 to 12,000 boys and girls who will actually become our eyes and ears. We have seen in the past that a lot of children have gone missing in various parts of the state, some on their own, some were kidnapped also. Few murder cases were also reported. So if we have these VTP friends in every village, we take it as a very strong mechanism to prevent crimes in future. So that is the whole thing, and the state government under the leadership of our Honorable Chief Minister Sir, Home Minister Sir, even the Chief Secretary Sir, DGP Ma'am, they are very positive about that this idea, and serious consideration is going on to provide certain equipment to our VDP friends, as well as some monetary allowance to boost their morale. So it's a work in progress, and we believe that with VDPs in our assistance, we'll be much better placed to prevent crimes, especially the road traffic accidents, and also during investigation of the cases. The whole idea is to assign a group of 5 to 10 households to each VDP member, so that he can keep watch on those households, and if there is any problem, anyone troubling a child, or maybe stalking a child, or harassing him or her in the school or college or in the village. So these small things which generally go unreported, that information also comes to us, so that we can improve the visibility of police force in those villages through our regular patrolling and all. So it's a consistent drive. Primary objective is to stop road traffic accidents, and the data is very encouraging. People have been very supportive of this drive, and in last 2 weeks roughly, we have hardly seen any accident happening on the roads, which was not the case in last few months. So this is giving us results, so we are further emboldened to work harder, and we keep on changing our venue. Today we are at Quinine because this is one of the hotspots where most of the traffic accidents have been reported from. There are similar hotspots in other parts of the highway, like Shang Bangla is one of the spots, Umling is another spot. So we'll be changing our location as well as timing of the checking, so that that element of unpredictability remains, and some people, now we are getting reports that people ask that whether there is a checking going on in Ribhoi. So that's a good sign. That's a positive sign. We are not harassing anyone. Its whole thing is aimed at saving lives. So it's a noble cause, and we are fully energized. The whole team is here. One point I would like to say that we as officers, we get all the attention, the optics, the social media, but actual heroes are behind us. These are the people, the constabulary, the head constables, the nayaks, lance nayak. They often go unreported. Without them, officers can't do anything. So they are the actual heroes behind the success of this drive. They have been standing on road not only during these special drives, right from the morning around 7:30 a.m. they are on the roads, manning the traffic points so that our children can go to school safely.